Dude, you have some mail.
Oh, where's it? It's from my doctor.
Your doctor?
Oh, Yeah, I've been getting tackled a lot lately. Just out in public. And figured, hey, go check it out with the doctor, see what's wrong.
So are you okay, man?
Says there I got tachylitis, baby doll.
What's tachylitis?
It says I'm at risk of getting tackled up to 15 times daily.
Oh, damn.
Damn is right. My heart just got tackled.
Been tackled!
I've been tackled again! Oh.
Damn you, tachylitis!
So, how was your first day of tachylitis?
Yo, Paula, it was a tough day. I'm not gonna lie, I got tackled a lot, and it's a disease I'll have to live with for the rest of my life. But I think this is the dawning of a new day.
Yeah.
Feel a new light. I think I can overcome this disease and not get tackled ever again.
Yeah.
My heart, physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. As long as that kid with the white shirt and the long hair doesn't keep coming around, I think that I have this under control. I think this is a new day.